To create a freelance dashboard in Obsidian, you'll be able to centralize your client information, projects, and resources within a single manageable workspace. Obsidian is a fantastic tool for freelancers needing to organize their work effectively, and this tutorial will guide you through setting up your own efficient dashboard. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's begin. The first step is to create the basic folder structure for your dashboard. Open Obsidian and navigate to your preferred vault. Then, in the File Explorer sidebar, you'll want to create 3 new folders. Create the folders named Clients, Projects, and Resources. These folders will serve as the foundation for your organized freelance workspace. Each folder has a specific purpose. The Clients folder will house your dashboard, client notes, and communication records. The Projects folder will contain active work, project updates, and deadlines. And the Resources folder will store templates, references, and helpful documents. Now, let's build out the Clients folder. Inside this folder, you'll create a new note named Freelance Dashboard. Within this note, you'll structure it with sections like today's priorities, active clients, ongoing projects, upcoming deadlines, and quick links. This layout gives you immediate visibility into your most pressing tasks and client engagements. Review this dashboard daily to see your current priorities, active clients, and upcoming deadlines, a quick snapshot of your entire freelance operation. Next, we'll create client-specific notes. Inside the Clients folder, create a separate note for each client you work with. These notes can include client contact information, meeting summaries, project requirements, feedback, and a detailed communication history. Maintaining one note per client ensures you have all the context readily available and simplifies reviewing previous discussions. Moving on, let's structure your Projects folder. Inside this folder, create a note titled Project Tracker. This note will be your central hub for monitoring project progress. Within the Project Tracker, you'll set up sections like active projects, next tasks, upcoming deadlines, progress updates, and related notes. Regularly update this note to maintain a clear understanding of what's in progress and what needs to be completed. Now, let's create the Resources folder. Inside this folder, create a note named Resource Library. This note will be your central repository for templates, references, guides, and useful documents. Structure it with sections like templates, reference notes, useful links, and business resources. This keeps your most valued materials organized and accessible, saving you valuable time. Now that we've established the basic structure, it's time to connect your notes using Obsidian's internal linking feature. This is key to a truly efficient dashboard. Connect the Freelance Dashboard note with the Project Tracker note, the Freelance Dashboard note with the Resource Library note, and finally, link your client notes with the relevant project notes, showcasing the relationship between your clients and their specific projects. This linking will allow you to quickly navigate between clients, projects, and reference materials. To further enhance your dashboard's organization, let's add properties to your notes. Properties are tags or metadata that you can apply to your notes to filter, sort, and manage your information more effectively. Useful properties include client, status, priority, due date, last updated, and project type. Consistently applying these properties will make it significantly easier to organize your projects. Next, let's add tags to categorize your notes. Tags are another way to group and filter notes. Examples include client, project, meeting, proposal, invoice, and complete. Use tags to quickly locate related information throughout your vault. It's like creating a supplementary index. Now, let's establish a daily freelance workflow. First, review your freelance dashboard at the beginning of your workday. Next, update your project tracker with current tasks, deadlines, and progress. Then, record client meetings, project updates, and useful resources in their respective notes, while leveraging internal links. Finally, review your dashboard before ending the day, update completed work, and prepare your priorities for your next work session. This routine will help you stay organized and ensure your dashboard remains accurate and useful. To recap, we've created a centralized workspace for your freelance business using Obsidian. By organizing your clients, projects, and resources with the folder structure and internal links, you're significantly improving your organization and productivity. As your freelance business grows, you can continue adding clients, projects, and resources while maintaining this simple, easy-to-manage structure. Consider archiving completed projects to keep your dashboard focused on current work. Regularly reviewing completed projects can also help you refine your workflow and improve future projects. To help you remember these steps, save this video and revisit it whenever you need to update or refine your freelance dashboard. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials.